hope you are well, HF art and interior design lovers. Today in this video we are talking about wardrobe. We have a wardrobe that is 120 centimeters and another that is 280 centimeters. Watch this video to see how a room can be transformed into a beautiful place to relax. This is a 120 centimeters wardrobe divided into two and has two drawers. It has a place for coats and a place for folded clothes. Plus 250-79049-411. Here is a wardrobe that is 280 centimeters long, which means it is 2.8 meters long. This one is divided into several different parts. It has 4 trilateral meetings. I'm so happy with this room design that it's finished. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any other important content. See you next time.